Hello viewers, welcome back. From this video onwards, we are going to learn about a new tool which is called as TED Ed, which is again quite similar to the previous tool Edpuzzle. This is also used for making interactive video lectures, but this is having few features which are different from your previous tool which is called as Edpuzzle. So let's start with this tool called TED Ed. This is the web page which you need to visit for accessing this tool. It's called as ed.ted.com. So in this first introductory video, I will show you what exactly is this website all about, and then I will show you how to register your account on EdTed or TED-Ed. You might have heard about the TED Talks or TED videos. Basically those videos revolve around a certain topic, a central point of interest, where the speakers put in their efforts to make the video reach the masses and ultimately creating awareness. On the similar grounds, we as teachers would like the content to reach as maximum number of students as possible so that they can benefit from these videos, especially in this pandemic era where the students cannot attend their daily lectures, the students cannot step out of their homes. Same goes with the teachers. So these video lectures come really handy because they can be used to deliver the contents to the point, and it ultimately can reach multiple people at the same time. So let's have a look what exactly this TED Ed platform is all about. The TED Ed platform is basically for the educators, for the students, and even for the parents. The parents can create their accounts to have a look what are the various educational videos available on TED Ed. They can even share it among their colleagues. They can even share it among other parents so that their wards involve in such educational platform. So basically this platform has login features for all, that is the students, the parents, as well as the educators. So let's have a look at the dashboard. The intro page or the very first page is very interesting. It's having these three main headings, that is discover, create, and support. Discover is from the students' point of view. They can discover the various lessons available on TED Ed. They can discover the various videos organized by themes or playlists, and they can even look out for various blogs where they can participate and get a lot of knowledge. Similarly, create is for the education content creator, that is the teachers. The teachers can create their lessons. They can even create discussion forums where the students can interact with each other as well as with the educator or the teacher, and finally they can share it with the other students, with their colleagues, or even with the parents. So let's have a look how to create an account on TED Ed. You can simply go to this website ed.ted.com, and on this website at the top right corner there is an option of register or sign in. You click on this register if you are a very first time user. Once you click on it, it's got a very simple kind of an interface where you can use your Apple account, where you can use a Google account, or you can continue with Facebook. Or if you're not having any of these, you can simply type in your email address and a link will be sent to your email address. Using that verification link, you can directly register on TED Ed. I would recommend, if you are having a Google account, you click this button and let Google authorize you directly for this website. So let me choose an account. This is my temporary account I use everywhere for creating these sort of demos. Okay, so I have got an email in my email account. Let me confirm it and get back to you. So this is the email I have received from TED Ed. They are asking me to verify my email address just for authentication purpose. Simply click on this verify my email address and it will again redirect you to their homepage. Once you are authenticated, you have the access to the entire world of TED. TED basically can be used for genre based videos. Here you can see how is it different from Edpuzzle. Edpuzzle was basically related to only studies or curriculum, but in the case of TED Ed, you can choose videos which can basically belong to any genre. For example, they can be from technology background, they can be from child development, personal growth, humanity, environment, and whatnot. So here's TED has got a really great advantage over Edpuzzle. because it is not very restricted. Its domain is huge, so you can create n number of videos for various genres and put your videos on TED Ed. Not only the students who belong to your class will watch it, but the videos will reach a lot of other people also. If they are interested in your videos, they might watch your videos and share it with their colleagues or friends. If you want to reach a large group of people, then TED Ed is recommended. Go for it. For example, basically this is my first time logging into TED Ed, so it's asking me what are my favorite genres, what interests me. So I would select few of the genres. For example, health, the future, communication, and something else. For example, this innovation and design. Okay. Next. Now tell us what you're looking for. I'm looking for what you can say professional growth. Okay, and click next. So now after exploring this website TED.com, let's just shift our focus to what we actually want to make use of this website for. For example, I can create my own contents and then share it with my students. So instead of visiting this main domain, I can go back to ed.ted.com and press enter. So now we have come back to the educational domain of TED.com. This particular domain is used only for sharing educational content. If you wish to go beyond educational contents, you can anytime visit the main domain, which is TED.com. Okay, so now we have already created our account. So let's go back to the sign in tab. As I have already logged in, so my first name and last name is being shown over here. I can change my role to an educator. What subjects do I teach? It's basically design, engineering and technology. Okay, I guess that would be all. What age groups do you teach? I teach college, university students, and then continue to TED Ed. So now you have created your account and this is your main dashboard. As I had already explained earlier, Discover is basically for students who can watch out various lectures, various lessons available on TED Ed. Similarly, Create a Lesson is for an educator. So I would highlight and go to this section, Create a Lesson, for creating a lecture for my students. But I would leave it for the next set of videos. This video was all about introducing you all to what exactly is TED Ed and how huge is the platform for content developers, for content creators, for educators, as well as students and their parents. So stay tuned for the next set of videos. I would focus on how we can create lecture videos and share it with the masses. Thanks a lot. Stay connected.